Making sense of phrasal verbs. Unlocking the power of English language. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into the world of phrasal verbs. You might be wondering why they're important, especially as you advance in your English language learning journey. We're going to break it down for you and demonstrate the role of phrasal verbs in everyday language. Let's begin with the basics. What are phrasal verbs? They are unique to English and consist of a verb combined with an adverb or a preposition, or sometimes both. This combination gives the verb an entirely new meaning. For instance, turn down might mean to refuse something, while turn up can mean to arrive or to increase in volume. Now that we know what phrasal verbs are, let's discuss their prevalence. Phrasal verbs are everywhere in English. From everyday conversations, text messages, emails, to professional and academic writing, you'll encounter them quite frequently. That's why understanding them is crucial to becoming fluent in English. One of the reasons phrasal verbs are so important is their versatility. The same phrasal verb can often be used in multiple contexts with different, but related, meanings. This flexibility allows for nuanced expression that other words might not capture. Take, for example, the phrasal verb, break down. It could mean to decompose, to stop functioning, or to get upset. Phrasal verbs are not only linguistically significant but also culturally important. They provide insight into the cultural context and colloquial usage of the English language. Understanding and using phrasal verbs can give you a more authentic grasp of English as it is spoken in various English-speaking countries. That's a wrap on the importance of phrasal verbs in English. Hopefully, now you can see how these seemingly simple combinations of words can add depth, flexibility, and cultural context to your English conversations. In our next videos, we'll be exploring specific examples of phrasal verbs and how to use them in different contexts. Until then, keep practicing, stay curious, and happy learning.